Hey everybody, it's me again. Now we're going to start going over our math. And this right here is lesson 17. Learn about your shapes, your angles, your lines, and your just different shapes. So first part we're going to go over is the parts of shapes. So a side is
one of the line segments that makes a flat shape.
So a side is basically like a straight line on the side of a shape. So this is a square, and it has a dot right here, which I think makes it a line, and then it's just straight.
Angle.
An angle is
a shape made when two or more sides or edges meet.
So basically, an angle is like two lines that meet together.
Parallel sides.
Parallel sides.
Sides that are always the same distance apart and will never touch even if they are longer.
So basically, a parallel line is like two lines that are across from each other.
Vertex. A point where two or more sides or edges meet.
A vertex is similar to a corner. It's right here where lines meet. But don't get it confused with an edge. It's not an edge.
Face. A flat or curved side of a solid shape.
This is a face. So basically, the front of this square, of this cube, is a face.
Edge. A line segment where two faces meet.
So basically, this face and this face are coming together, and that's what creates a edge. So this would be an edge. This would be an edge. Let's talk about our flat shapes. 2D shapes. So this is a circle, as one curved side. This is a square, has four equal sides, two sets of parallel lines. So this is a set of parallel lines, and this is a set of parallel lines. And it has four right angles, which are like, they're not triangles, they're not angles that look like the alligator sign that we use when we're doing least to greater than. It's just straight corners. Then this is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides, two sets of equal sides, two sets of parallel sides, and four right angles. So this is a set of parallel lines, and then this is a set of parallel lines, and then these two sides are equal, and these two sides are equal, and then you have your four right angles, which is a 1 angle, 2 angles, 3 angles, 4. The next one is a triangle. Triangle has three sides. It's 1, 2, and 3. It has no parallel lines and 3 angles. So this is the angle, this is the angle, and then this is the angle. I think this is a acute angle, and this is the obtuse. These two are obtuse angles, and I think this one is an acute angle. The next one is a right triangle. Right triangle has 3 sides. It's 1, 2, and 3. It has no parallel sides. It has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. It's 1, 2. So this is an acute angle, and this is, like I said, these are obtuse angles. Next shape is a rhombus. A rhombus has 4 equal sides. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Has two sets of parallel sides. So this is one set of parallel sides, and this is another set of parallel sides. Then it has 2 opposite equal acute angles. So this is the acute angle, then this is acute angle, and then these 2 are obtuse angles. I think these are 2. Now these are right angles. 1, 2, 3. These all 3. These are right angles. Okay, let's get to an exercise. A simple exercise. So it says,
Chris shops for items for his garden.
pick a shape and put it over the lattice panel. So we're going to pick a shape. Usually this is what I call either Victor, Braden, and Amari. This is one of their favorite problems. The shape I put over this one is a square. Then it says how many. Let me zoom in. It's too small. How many total sides? Okay, this is for the rest of the group. How many total sides? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try 4.
4.
How many equal sides? So are all the sides the same length? Yes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides.
4.
How many?
How many sets of parallel sides?
So this is a parallel side, so that's 1. Then this is a parallel side, which is 2. Let's go to our angles. Angles are usually in the corners. So these are like straight up and down. So these are 4 right angles.
Four.
Are there any acute angles? No. So it's 0.
0.
Are there any obtuse angles? No. So we're going to put a 0. Are there any right triangles? Yes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angles. So we're 4.
4.
Can anyone guess what shape this is? Shh. Tell your parents what shape it is, okay? I know you get excited about saying the shape at the end of the problems. I'm going to leave that one blank. Then I want you to tell your parents what shape this is. Is it a rectangle? Is it a circle? Or a square? Send me the answer in Class Dojo. Let's try another one. Oh, this is different. Okay. It says,
Emily buys seeds to plant in the garden. Pick a shape and put it over the seed packet.
so let's pick a shape. Is it a rectangle, a circle, or a square? Rectangle. You're right.
How many total sides?
How many total sides? Count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. How many sets of equal sides?
So remember, this is a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 sets of equal sides. This is one set of equal sides, and then this is another set of equal sides. I mean, the lines are the same length. Next.
How many sets of parallel sides?
The same rules from the last problem applies to this one. So this is a set because the lines are across from each other and they're the same length. There's another set of lines across from each other. So there's 2 sets of parallel sides.
2.
Now it says,
how many angles?
let's count the angles. The angles are usually in the corner when lines meet. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 angles. Start thinking of what type of angles these are in this shape.
How many acute angles?
Are there any acute angles? No.
How many obtuse angles?
Are there any obtuse angles? No.
0.
So that leaves us with,
how many right angles?
let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right angles.
4.
Let's see who's been listening to Miss Jackson. I've been giving you the name of this shape throughout the entire problem. So again, I want you to tell your parents what shape this is. This is either a rectangle, a circle, or a square. Send it to me in Class Dojo. I want to know. Okay, that concludes this section of Lesson 17. I'll be back with another section of Lesson 17 in a few minutes. Sit tight.